All right, so let's finish this out. What if nothing cancels? So you can see if I add the x's, I'm going to get 3x. If I add the y's, I'm going to get negative 2y. And I need to eliminate one of the variables. So it's easy. If I still have an x or a y that have the same coefficient, so if you look at this, this is negative 1y, negative 1y. Okay, I want to have them be opposites. So all I'm going to do is multiply one equation by negative 1. So if I multiply this first equation by negative 1, what happens is that the sign of each term changes to the opposite. So I'm going to get negative x, negative 1 times negative 1y gives me positive 1y equals positive 2. And then I'm just going to bring this over here. 2x minus 1y equals 7. So now when I add them, my y's add up to be 0. They eliminate each other. So 2x and negative x gives me x. So x equals 9. Now I can actually go back to the very original equation. So from this one again, I'm going to plug in x as 9 minus y equals negative 2. I'm going to subtract the 9, get negative y equals negative 11, divide by negative 1, get y equals 11. So my point where they intersect, my solution is at 9, 11. Okay, let's try one more. So if you understand that when you multiply a whole equation by negative 1, that everything just changes signs, I don't have to show it so much as just come in here and say, I'm going to multiply the top one. So this becomes negative, positive, negative. Everything changes to the opposite sign. And now when I add these two equations together, negative 6x and 5x is negative x. Positive 2y and negative 2y adds up to 0. We eliminated the y, and the negative 6 and 10 is 4. Again, I want x, not negative x, so I'm going to have to divide by negative 1 and get x equals negative 4. Now I'm going to take the second equation, plug in negative 4 for x, solve it. So I've got negative 20 minus 2y equals 10. I'm going to add the 20, get negative 2y equals 30, divide by negative 2, get y equals negative 15. So my answer is negative 4, negative 15, and that answer tells me where these two lines intersect. Okay, again, what I want to be doing, good practice would be to plug these back in and check. I'm not doing it on the video, just to keep it shorter. All right, so again, you want to make sure you've got this in your notes. The steps to elimination is to get rid of a variable so we can solve. You can pick the easy one to get rid of. So line up the x, y, and then the answer number. And we're going to eliminate vertically by getting an opposite pair. Sometimes we've got to change something to be able to create that opposite pair. Once you eliminate one, the x or the y, you're going to solve for the remaining variable. and then substitute back into one of the equations to find the other variable. So again, if you need to, pause the video and write this down. You're going to be working on some problems that are elimination for our homework. And again, make sure when you're doing the homework, you have to find both x and y. All right.